When families in Fayetteville think about home upgrades, windows may not be the first feature that comes to mind. Yet, replacing old or inefficient windows with energy-efficient models can make a meaningful difference in comfort, savings, and overall quality of life. For households looking to balance practicality with long-term benefits, energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest investments they can make. Lower energy bills year-round. Fayetteville experiences warm summers and cool winters, meaning homeowners rely heavily on heating and cooling systems. Standard windows often allow conditioned air to escape, forcing HVAC units to work harder. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced glass coatings, insulated frames, and multiple panes to minimize heat transfer. For families, this translates directly into monthly savings. Instead of losing money through drafty glass, the home stays more consistent in temperature. Over time, these savings can add up to thousands of dollars, helping offset the upfront investment. A more comfortable living environment. No one enjoys sitting next to a drafty window in winter or feeling the sun's heat pour through glass in July. Energy-efficient windows are engineered to reduce hot and cold spots, creating a more even indoor climate. Families can enjoy cozy movie nights in the living room or peaceful breakfasts in the kitchen without worrying about uncomfortable drafts or glaring sunlight. For households with children, this stability is especially valuable. Kids can play, study, or nap in any room without parents needing to adjust the thermostat constantly. Protection against UV damage. Sunlight streaming into a home can feel welcoming, but harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays can fade furniture, flooring, and even family photos. Modern energy-efficient windows come with special coatings that block a significant percentage of UV rays while still letting in natural light. This feature protects your family's belongings and reduces the need to replace faded decor. In the long run, it helps preserve the warmth and personality of your home's interior. Increased home value for families who see their house as both a home and an investment. Energy-efficient windows boost resale appeal. Today's buyers in Fayetteville actively seek properties with modern, eco-friendly upgrades. Installing these windows positions your home as more desirable on the market. Potential buyers recognize not only the comfort benefits but also the reduced utility costs. This can make your property stand out and help it sell faster and at a higher price. Environmental responsibility. Many families want to leave a positive impact on their community and future generations. Energy-efficient windows reduce household energy consumption, lowering the demand on local power plants and cutting greenhouse gas emissions. By making this choice, your family contributes to a cleaner environment in Fayetteville. It's a small but important step toward living more sustainably while setting a good example for children about responsible resource use. Long-term durability. Another overlooked benefit is durability. Energy-efficient windows are often constructed with stronger frames and improved sealing technology. This means less maintenance, fewer repairs, and a longer lifespan compared to older models. For busy families, this reliability offers peace of mind. Instead of worrying about constant upkeep, you can enjoy windows that perform well for decades. Conclusion: a smart, family-friendly upgrade. Energy-efficient windows are far more than just a cosmetic improvement. They lower utility bills, create a healthier and more comfortable living space, protect your home's interior, and support sustainable living. For Fayetteville families, these windows represent both immediate and long-term value. Investing in them is an investment in your home, your finances, and your family's quality of life. Whether you plan to stay in your house for decades or sell in the future, energy-efficient windows are a decision you'll be glad you made.